shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and they shall become one flesh. It is an important step in life, and therefore should not be entered into lightly, but discreetly and soberly. Do you, Colton, take McKenna to be your lawfully wedded wife? Do you promise before God and these witnesses to love her, comfort and honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, commit to her as long as you both shall live? Do you, McKenna, take Colton to be your lawfully wedded husband? Do you promise before God and these witnesses to love him, comfort and honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, commit to him as long as you both shall live?
Here they go. You look so sweet on Yeah.
Ecclesiastes 4:9-12 reads, "Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their work. If one falls down, his friend can help him up. But pity the man who falls and has no one to help him up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken." In accordance to the ordinances of God, in the name of the state of Georgia, I pronounce them husband and wife. What their God has joined together, let no man separate. Colton,
Yours,
I kiss your bride.
here right now, the kind of night
Hold up.
dream about. Oh, oh, oh.
It is my honor and pleasure to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Colton and Makenna.
Time flies when you get it right, so hold on tight.